In this lecture, I'll be talking about the Kubernetes setup. I'll first talk about the different ways of setting up Kubernetes. Then I will show you how to set it up locally and on AWS. Kubernetes should really be able to run anywhere, but there are more integrations for certain cloud providers like AWS and Google Cloud. Things like volumes and external load balancers work only with supported cloud platforms. So if the integration for your cloud platform is not available, then you can still use Kubernetes, but you will not be able to use volumes and external load balancers. For AWS and Google Cloud, this is available. Also for Azure, this is available. So for the main providers, this is already available. Other providers have different types of support. You'll have to take a look in the documentation at the cloud provider plugins to see which ones are supported. I will first use Minikube to quickly spin up a local single machine with a Kubernetes cluster. You can use Minikube on your laptop or your desktop to spin up a Kubernetes cluster. I will then show you how to spin up a cluster on Amazon AWS using kops. Kops is a tool that can be used to spin up a highly available production cluster. Doing the labs yourself is possible and highly recommended. Using the AWS free tier, which gives you 750 hours of T2 micros per month. So it's not just one T2 micro, it's 750 hours per month. So you can run multiple T2 micros as long as you don't exceed this number of 750 hours per month. The URL to sign up is awsamazon.com. You can do the same labs using your local machine. You will not be able to test the integrations with the cloud, but you can still use Kubernetes. You can use Minikube from this URL. You can find these URLs as well in the procedure document in the beginning of the course. Or if you want, you can use DigitalOcean and you can use this URL to get a $10 coupon.